Hello and welcome back to my channel. You are watching ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Today we are going to do the quick unboxing of new released Huawei FreeBuds. These are something like the Apple AirPods, but with different shape and color. Actually, as you see, this is the black color, nice shiny finish. Let's see what the box is offering. Wireless design, superior sound, light and portable for Android and iOS operating systems. Top control, true wireless stereo earbuds. This side is the just FreeBuds assistant on Google Play, QR code. Here what we have, different languages about the product and other writings here, and the model is CMH1L, CMH1R. They're different for the different markets actually, but our ones is CMH1L. Let's move on and see what we have in the box. Okay, we have a nice presentation, very nice box with the opening this way and maybe from here. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this is the FreeBuds, this is box. And we have something in the back. Let's move on and see what else we have in the box. Maybe this is the other. So the box is empty. Let's leave the box inside and see what we have here. Maybe this is the quick guide actually. Oh, this is not a quick guide actually. This is a big book. Guys, you can see how big is this book, and it's heavy. And the warranty card. Okay, total is something like 50 grams. Leave it here. Moving forward. This is the pads. Oops, what we have here. Let's open. What's this? Something strange. Oh, yeah, maybe this is opening from here. This is the cable. Ah, okay. Oh, it's USB Type-C cable, guys. Black color, and there is something inside. Oh. Okay. This is the for replacement. Ah, okay. This is the different shape of and size in case if your ear is small, or you can have the other size and shapes just to have a replacement. And that's it. Let's move on and see how we can take out this one. Is it opening? No. Okay. No, it's not that easy to remove, but we did it. This is the case. As you see, it's the light, green lighted, so it's mean that it has some charge. And we can put here the earbuds. What the paper is saying. Tips, some tips how to use wake up voice assistant, answer and call by tapping. Choose the right ear tips, play music, pause music, answer and calls. Double tap your FreeBuds for perform the following. For some different model for phones, and set of ear tips that we already checked. This is about this, XS, XL, L. Okay, let's remove the earbuds. Actually, Here is the earbuds itself. It's very glossy black color, shiny. It's not that lightweight, but I think it can feel okay in the ear, as we can see later when I will try them and can have. Okay, let's move on the another one. Oh, it was put, okay, this way. Something strange packaging. And the other one, the right one actually, as you can see, they are in the shape of AirPods, but actually with this rubber thing, that's why these are earbuds actually, not the AirPods. This is L, the left side, and this one is the right side. This is it, guys. This is the quick unboxing of Huawei FreeBuds. Please like and subscribe if you want more, or you can comment if you want to see more about these Huawei FreeBuds. Stay well, stay cool. See you soon in the next video.